By now, everyone knows what Microsoft Teams is, mainly because of the recent COVID-19 pandemic, which meant we were all working from home. Microsoft Teams is one of the more valuable applications in the Microsoft 365 bundle, as it offers a wide range of functionalities purpose-built to improve team collaboration and communication. But along with its many functions comes a great deal of learning, so it can become difficult to get the maximum value out of the tool. That's why I'm here to give you a few tutorials on how to use each function. So say you need to book a meeting in the diary and invite other members to it. You can go into the Calendar tab on your Teams window, go to the top right corner and select Schedule Meeting. From there, it's pretty simple. Just add those you wish to be involved, select a time and date, and then write any additional notes if you wish. Once you save that, an invite will be sent to the attendees and the meeting will automatically fall into your Outlook calendar. Now that's great when you schedule a more professional meeting with team members or clients. But what if you want to go for a more relaxed approach? Say when you want to just send a quick message or make a quick call. Well, that's what the Chat tab is for. On the Chat tab, you can create a chat with either one person or an entire team. In this chat, you can send messages, files, and schedule meetings. However, if you want to make a call, you can either make an audio or video call to all members in the chat. The simplicity of the chat function makes communication within your team simple and productive. Now, when it comes to collaboration, the Teams tab is the way to go. Teams works very similarly to Chats, in which you can create different groups, add or remove members, and send messages. But in here, you can upload files so team members can work on them at the same time, without saving over each other's work. And you can actually see when someone else is working on a document and what they are doing. Now, how great is that for team collaboration? With this ability, there's no need for duplicate documents or losing any work, which saves time and improves productivity. So I've only went through the main tools within Microsoft Teams. So if you want to find out more to get the most out of your application, give us a call and One Stop can provide team training sessions. But if you've just enjoyed our latest tips, tricks and shit you need to know, then stay tuned across our social platforms so you don't miss the next one. Cheers guys.